Shelly, they feel the vibe. We know they tire, we rise and shine. Oh, low, low, low. Ataza step in the zone, and she full like sun. Everywhere she go, then we feel the fun. Fire in her eyes, rhythm in her soul. She know they play small, she did chase it with gold. Market woman, dance and queen. She did hustle.
Wasije kukuiba, hilo ndo litaniliza. Nishajituliza, wasomana sikiliza. Wewe na mimi, wewe na mimi, wewe na mimi, wewe na mimi.
Reba rwose do naho ngukinze pe. Reba pe.
Mwemwe neza, mwemwe neza.
Rwose na rwose.
Imana ibaheza n'umwenge.
Araho ngukinze.
Ariko ntabwo wogoshe.
Ese sheri ntabwo nogoshe se icyo ni ikibazo njye mba nshaka ko bikura nyine bikagaragara. Nshaka ko bigaragara.
Igicenge kinini. None se kuki utogoshe? Utogoshe.
Ese sheri ntabwo nabishakaga nese nyine.
Aho uzogoshe uzanshaka wowe.
Ntabwo ponseze yabikata se ngo mbikate basi.
Oh, lovely. Love that.
Connecting. You are deceiving.
Oh! Baby, I love you so much.
Really?
I love you so much. Baby girl, come here. You're the woman of my dream.
Really?
So you have been hiding here and I've been looking for you. That is why, baby. The thing that you are doing to me is not good. Oh. The thing that you are doing to me is not good. Oh. Come here. What is scratching me? I don't know what is doing me in my head. I don't know what is doing me in my head. I don't know what is doing me in my hair. Naza, what is that? What are you disturbing me? Go away, I don't need you. Stop calling me, I'm busy. Stop calling me, go away, I don't need you. Go away, let's start, we'll talk. Who is that? Go away, go to your house. Baby girl. The love of my life. The mother of my own children. This my sweet potato. Oh my God. Turn around. Turn around. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my God, come here.
I'm
Come here.
gentle.
Oh, no, get it. Sweet.
That's your fish. Yes, yeah. Yeah, no.
I love you so much. I love you so much.
I'm blushing.
Yeah, cashew.
You're not touch me.
Come here. Come here. Where are you going? Come here. I want to ask you this. What did I do for you to be nagging at me? For you to be treating me bad? For you to be doing as if you did not care about our relationship? What did I do?
Do you really want to know?
Yes, of course, I want to know.
Okay. Can you remember the time I called you in my room? I asked you to knock me. To knock me what's no good. What do? You run away.
So it's because of that childish, the things of the world, that is why you are acting up.
Frank, why will I not act up? If you do it, this relationship will be going. But if you have not done it, so we are not going to do it.
Yes, I know. You called me in your room. You begged me to knock you. You begged me to knock you until you asked me to stop. But you asked me something that day. Do you know whether I am in the mood to knock you? To knock your echo so hard. Do you know whether I'm in the mood?
You must be in the mood.
I must be in the mood.
Yes.
Why do you always care about your selfish self? You don't care about me. You don't care about my feelings. You don't care anything about me. You don't know what I want. I want what I do not want. You always care about your selfishness. You know what? I am done with this relationship.
You better done. Since you don't want to do what I asked you to do.
I am
so
done.
You better you go.
I am
go,
done.
I don't want you again.
You don't want me.
Yes.
I know that you don't love me, but let me tell you one thing. I will never leave you. I will never leave you.
Do what I asked you to do now.
Baby girl, I am here to make you changes. Yes. I don't want you to be using your phone anymore.
Really?
Yes, I don't want all those guys to be calling you again. I don't want them. So that is why I bought you a new phone.
Really?
So this one, I'll collect this one. Then what you will do is that there is SIM card inside the phone. So you open it later. Then when you open it later, you fix your SIM card. I don't want any guy to be calling you again. I don't want any guy to be calling you again. This one, you are not using it again. You are not using this one again.
I don't hear.
Do I make myself clear?
Thank you.
Do I make myself clear?
I hear you.
See, from now on, I don't want to be seeing any guy. No be all those one will be saying you go to tell me say na your brother. If I see any guy that called you Makachuku, between your own trouser and my own, we go put leg together. Do you hear me?
I hear it, sir.
Do you hear me?
Okay, I don't hear. Is it because this phone you buy for me?
Come here, say so.
Me. Is it because phone you buy for me? That's why I kissing like this. Is it because you buy me Infinix Spark? I be Smart 10. That's why I kissing like that.
That is why I buy you this phone. For you to stop. I don't want all those nonsense chewing-gum guys to be calling me again.
Not be all your mates they buy some this thing, Samsung or iPhone.
Look at you. So you not appreciate this thing that I buy. I don't want any person where go buy.
This my phone waste. You know how much the phone worth? You know how much?
You know how much? I don't buy this one. I say make you know make you not try me.
Okay, dance danger.
Make you not try me.
If you buy me an iPhone, I go appreciate.
Make you not try me.
Go kill me.
Make you not try me. Make it.
I can hear you. Wait,
You can't hear me.
you got to sit on my leg.
I think say na chair before.
I blame you. I don't blame you.
Abo
Sit on because I don't want you.
do fe be obere anu ayi ja gba December ke no na ko go.
They're buy.
Leave me now.
My father have turned to ban these people.
Leave me. Remove your hand.
Why?
Remove this hand. Stay well. Stay on your own.
Come on.
No do feel.
Stay one place, yo. Don't be everything, but they just say, hello. It's my leg, very important.
Kiss me like never before. Kiss me.
Talk now.
leave me alone.
Let them know.
Oh, yeah,
Let them know. I ask you.